Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am here to show you a flip through of Michael's hot buys for Christmas. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This one is called Sugar Plums, and it is kind of sort of like the new Prima sugar cookie one. I think is what it's called. So yeah, we don't have a Santa this year, but we do have pastel everything else. Cut aparts are pretty too. They are not on sale right now, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks. I've noticed that they have not had as many of their good sales on the hot buys like they used to. Okay, so there's the first one. This one is Holiday Glitz Glitter, and this is really nice to have. It's a great addition, guys. And this is, God, I can't remember what they call this process when they do this glitter that does not wipe off. I can't remember what they call it. But yeah, it does not wipe off. Very pretty colors to use. You could use those throughout the year. Here we have Crystal Blues, and I don't think I opened this one because I found it at the last minute. And blue seems to be in this year for Christmas. I noticed. I went shopping yesterday and saw some blue items. So okay, Wrapped with Care. For the holidays. And guys, I went into my Tuesday morning yesterday and I was like, are you guys going out of business? I mean, there was nothing in there. So yeah, this one's Christmas Plaids. Yeah, I mean, we're talking 90% of the store, they had fixtures stacked on top of one another, and I was like, this is really weird. What are you guys doing? And they're like, well, we filled in all the high volume stores first. This one is Jewel Glitter, and this, I don't know when this came out, guys, but I did want to show this to you. Look how pretty these jewel tones are. Okay. And then we have Safe Freeze. I'm not sure if this is exactly like the one from last year. They did have a Safe Freeze last year. Kind of need to switch hands because my hand's getting tired already. Yeah, guys, I just have not been filming very much. I have not been feeling well at all with my back situation and my neurological issues. Christmas Embossed. I thought I opened that. I guess not. That's kind of very hard to see. Snowflakes. Can you see that? Yeah, this is really kind of hard to see. That's, anyway, yeah. I'll just do this, and you'll just know that it's embossed with Christmas stuff, because I literally can't really tell either really what it is with the light shining down. It's kind of, I'm kind of in a strange area back in there. The store just did a remodel, and I'm not crazy about it, guys. I hate this store. My stores have been doing these remodels, and yeah. I'll give you a quick look. I'll walk around the corner so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's very cold feeling in the store now. And two of my Michael's stores have done this. They've dumped a ton of money into this remodel. And they took away about 30%, 40% of the product. There's not near as much product in this store anymore as there used to be. Oops. There you go. Okay, I'm going to show you what this store looks like really quickly. See, the floors are all concrete. When you're in the jewelry department and in fine art, it says thank you for shopping fine art, almost like someone's watching you. It's weird. Look at it. It's just a very, very strange look to the store. It's very cold feeling to me. I don't know. Some people might like it. I don't. I'm not crazy about it at all. But anyway, I wanted to give you a quick look at that and look at the Hot Buy papers. We have not received any of the envelopes or the cards yet at this store, so I will let you know once we get those in.